Oh my god, what's this heat? If I apply makeup, my face turns oily. Should I skip the makeup? What should I do now? Okay then, I use new makeup technique. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Ketlam by Sarvani. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. If you are new here, don't forget to press that red button called subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon as you can miss out my notifications whenever I upload a video on YouTube. As summer arrived, you girls are thinking to skip the makeup because of sweat? Then you are in right place. There is no need to skip the makeup in summer because I am here to show you some tricks and tips for the summer season. I am not here to just say some tips and tricks for the summer without any proofs. So here today I am showing you some tips and tricks who are facing some sweat problems or oil problems with a water splash test. So after completing my makeup, I just split some water on my face so that you can see how much my makeup remains and how much my makeup fades off. So without any further ado, let us jump into the video. Wait, there is another thing. Today my makeup will be without foundation or any base makeup, but you can ace the look. So don't skip the video until end. So without any further blabbering, just get into the video. I already cleansed my face with micellar water and now I am toning with Jovis rose water. In summers, toner is very important to close the pores. Now I am applying some moisturizer. In summer, it is better to use some water-based moisturizer. Here, I am using PAC moisturizer on my face. Now comes the most important part in summer skincare routine, that is application of sunscreen. Here I am using Neutrogena sunscreen with SPF 50 and PA+++. It blocks all the UV rays coming from the sun and also avoid tanning of the face. Now I am using a new technique that I already done a video previously, that is Jordan Liberty's reverse makeup technique. If you missed that video, please watch it by pressing the I button on top. Now applying Sephora setting powder as the loose powder becomes the barrier from production of oil and skin. As per the technique, I am spraying some Fix Plus from MAC so as to set the powder onto the face. Here comes the most important part of summer makeup routine, that is application of primer. Now I am using Benefit Professional Primer so as to close my pores and can avoid the production of oil. I am applying on my T-zone area so as to avoid the visibility of my pores. Now I am not using any foundation or base on my face. I am just taking concealer from LA Girl in the shade medium beige and applying where I am having the dark circles and some blemishes. Keep in mind to get the concealer of same shade of your skin tone. If you want more coverage, then go for BB cream or CC cream. You can also conceal your face where you have pigmentation, dark circles or any acne scars. Now I am taking the damp and beauty sponge to set the concealer. Usage of damp and sponge makes your concealer looks natural and sheer. If you want more coverage, then you can apply some compact powder. In summers, it is better to use the powder products. So, in order to get some glow or flush on your cheeks, I am applying Makeup Revolution blush on my cheeks. As I don't want to leave my eyes without any color, so I am using LA Girl Medium Beige Concealer to conceal my lids. Then as usually, I am using my damp and sponge to set my concealer. I am also applying some loose powder so as to avoid the creases and wrinkles. Now I am taking some peachy tone shadow on my lids from Makeup Revolution. Please watch it as I am stamping the color on my lids with a flat fluffy brush. Now I am doing the same thing on my left eye too. Have you guys watched my previous video of step-by-step eye makeup tutorial? If not, please watch it on pressing the I button on the top of my video. And now I am taking a fluffy brush to just blend so as to avoid the harsh lines of my eyeshadow. Now it's time for grooming my brows. Here I am using Elegal Brow Kit in the shade Dark. Don't take jet black or super black shade on your eyebrows. It makes your eyebrows look artificial. So take dark brown or the color of your hair to your eyebrows. Now it's time for curling my lashes. I am using Vega eyelash curler. Now I am applying my favorite mascara, Maybelline Colossal Mascara, on my eyelashes. If you are comfortable, please don't forget to apply the mascara on your lower lashes. Now comes my favorite part of eyes. Here I am using Lakme Iconic Kajal on my waterline. Here is a hack. In order to avoid the smudging of kajal or kohl, I am taking the same eyeshadow palette in brown shade and stamping on my waterline. This has two uses. This makes your eyes look bigger and smudge free. As I already prepped my lips with Himalaya lip balm, now I am taking Maybelline Pink the Red lipstick on my lips. In summers, I like to wear bright and colorful lipsticks. So if you don't like pink, you can go for any other shade. So guys, this is my final look. I didn't apply any foundation or any base. You can also use some BB cream or CC cream for this summer. But I created this look without any foundation. So there will be no problem of sweating and creating oiliness on or shine on your T-zone or on your face. Because we created this look with something new which are not followed by others. So just create this look for this summer and tag me on your story in Instagram. If you are not following on my Instagram page, please follow Get Glam by Sarvani. My Instagram and Facebook links are given in the description box. Please follow my page Get Glam by Sarvani. Now let us see the water splitting test on my face. So literally you can see. Even if you sweat, your makeup does not move. Even if you sweat like hell, your makeup does not move from place. So hope you like this trick. If my videos are worth watching, please press that red button called subscribe, and please don't forget to press the bell icon, as you may miss out my notifications whenever I upload a video on my YouTube channel. So until then, I am signing off. Bye.